Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. To make the SH sound, your lips have to come together very similarly to how we made the R sound, actually. Your lips come forward like this, but not as tightly as for the R. They're a little looser like this. Your teeth are slightly opened, and your tongue is back. Your tongue shouldn't be touching any part of the inside of your mouth. Okay, so open your lips like this. Okay, now let's practice some words that begin with SH. Here we go. Shower, shampoo, excellent. Really elongate that sound. Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.